Hey guys, so if you like to play the game SimCity Build It, I'm going to show you in this video how to download a SimCity BuildIt Hack. So this will give you unlimited currency. So let me just wait for the game to load. So as you can see guys, I'm broke. But when I press this button, I can actually turn on unlimited Simcash. So let's see if it goes up. And then I'm going to show you how to download this SimCity BuildIt modded version. So as you can see, this is what we got right now. But hopefully it starts going up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So as you can see, this is the values, and let's see if it works. So as you can see, it is now increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super cool. All right. So the first thing we're going to do, go to this site, find it, press download. Now before this finishes, it's going to be like a verification. So you got to download like 2 apps and follow the instructions. You know, it's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, so at the end it's going to say missing files, so I just got to download some of these apps. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9, so it's a game. So I just press continue, go to the app store, and I'll just play this till I'm level 9. Most of them aren't games though, but the games are pretty simple. So then we go back to the list, see what else we got. So we got Mo Casino, Rate, so there's all these different ones. So that's how to get SimCity BuildIt Hack for your device 2026. So if you're broke, be sure to try us out because it will give you unlimited Simcash. It's super wild. This is updated and everything. So if you need SimCity BuildIt Hack for your device, definitely go ahead and give this one a try. You know, I feel like a lot of people don't know about this stuff, so that's why I made the video, because I just wanted to like educate you guys. But that's how to get it. So just make sure you download some of these apps, and you're gonna have SimCity BuildIt Hack into your phone. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.